Okay, what is good, everybody? Welcome to trade recap number 3. Today I took one trade this short over here, netted me around $760 on the funded, and yeah, let's get into it. Now, coming into the day, I'm gonna be honest, I was bearish, but I was bearish only to, you could say, a fraction of the AM session. I was only bearish as soon as these lows get swept. London and Asia, these ones I didn't really care about, mainly due to us having this 1 hour gap, and in my opinion, Asia and London are more prominent than New York PM and New York AM, especially New York PM. But yeah, I was bearish. I was bearish only to Asia lows, and if we see market open, we open up, we got London lows. Now this, I'm not gonna lie, this was such a great setup. I only would have taken it if we swept Asia lows with it as well. If we got a SMTs, London low, Asia low sweep, all of that. But once I saw this pushing up here, I wanted to see I wanted to see shorts down to this Asia low. We tap into this BPR, 15-minute BPR. I scale lower. Now here, I did want to take this 5-minute. I'm not gonna lie, this 5-minute here. This 5-minute, I did want to take it, but why didn't I take it? Because we got news at 10 a.m. And most of the time, price is going to chop till 10 a.m., you know? And as you can see, we literally did that. Now, what did I take? I took a 3-minute IVG, high sign from inversion in the leg. I took that. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. You're like, it took us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tries for us to inverse. And I know, yes, most of the time I will not take any inverses that take more than, like max 5 minutes, max maybe 6. So not 5 minutes, maybe 5 tries to inverse it. But here, what made this so special is that, as you can see, we had this data high over here. If we quickly remove this, we have this data high, which it did not get swept yet. It didn't get swept. But what did we have on ES? Where's ES at? Where's it at here? As you can see, this data high on ES, though, it got swept. What does that make doing? SMT divergence. SMT divergence, and basically there was an SMT here as well. We did not leave any lower resistance liquidity up top because of the SMT. But what would we do? What did we do as well? We left low resistance liquidity to the downside, which was such a key point in my trade. This was the fundamental point of this trade was this LR. If this LR wasn't here, I don't think I would have taken this trade. I had my break even at the bottom of the low resistance liquidity, the trendline liquidity here. I got hit TP in around like 2.5 minutes. Basically, yeah, 2.5 minutes. Now, as you guys can see, like I said, it's most likely going to sweep Asia and then go. Not really care about New York PM. And it literally did exactly that. Why did I think it did exactly that? Because if we take a look at ES, yes, here we're at all-time highs. And yeah, we just swept all-time highs. Holy. Yeah, we are at all-time highs, which is going to push NQ higher. NQ is, how far is it? It's still a long way to go, but ES is going to push NQ higher, you know? But yeah, this was the setup. I hope you guys learned something new today. I honestly really like this setup. And by the way, I think if we didn't have news, I would have taken this 5-minute. I'm not gonna lie, I would have smacked it. But this got me better RR, and it was just overall a better trade in my opinion. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys learned something new. And yeah, see you boys in the next one. Peace.